Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are staying at home and maintaining social distancing. I am doing the same, and I'll proceed with my video now without wasting much time. Before that, I would just want to request you, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, and below that side, in the side you will find bell icon. Press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. That's all. And now about my photography journey. I used to take pictures from my childhood. I used to love it, but I am not a professional photographer, just amateur. And whatever I have shot, according to me, they are very amateurish and not at all up to the mark. That was my opinion. But again, I thought a lot of people say you can sell these pictures through different websites. So I also tried my luck, and luckily I was able to sell my photographs in 6 of the websites. I upload them in 8 of the websites, and through 6 of the website my pictures were sold. And through Shutterstock I earned $100 a few days back. It was 100, so I wanted to just share with you. It was a long time getting those $100, but worth it. And my perception about my photography changed completely. I thought nobody would like those pictures, but I'm telling you, rest assured, you don't be judgmental about your work. You upload your pictures, and there are a lot of people in the world who need these pictures. What you think is junk according to you may be worth their pictures. Maybe they are worth. So don't be judgmental. uh, do it, upload it, and you can earn. And I know a lot of people are earning more than Indian currency, more than 30,000 rupees per month. Lot of people. And slowly you will understand the business, understand the game, and your sales will come up. If you keep on regularly uploading, I am sure earning $30,000 is not much. So I'll tell you just where I uploaded. I got $100 through Shutterstock, and in Big Stock also I have account. There I $12 I've earned. In iMe, there I earned about $2.9. And Adobe also I have about $6-7. And Getty Images, they're also about $6. So these are the 6 sites. I'll show you in my laptop, and I'll show you what rubbish were sold according to me, those who are not worth selling. And you will also see they are not so nice, but they sell. So without wasting much time, I'll go to my laptop and show you how much I earned, which pictures sold most, and all that. And again, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and give your comments. If you want to learn how to upload the picture, how to register, how to upload, I will let you know everything. Just comment below, so that I'll after the comments I will make another videos and tell you in details. And I'll put the link, Shutterstock link also. From that link you can directly go to Shutterstock and register your account and start the process. So feel free to ask me anything, and I'll try to answer all of it. So I'll go to my laptop and show you my pictures. Hi friends, this is the site Shutterstock, and you can see my name here, Rupak, and unpaid earning $23.74. It means this much amount has not been paid to me. It will be paid to me when this earnings go to $35. Okay, and this month means the month of April, I have earned 7 of my photographs are downloaded. Okay, I will take you down and show you this unpaid earning 23.74. It means this much dollar I have in my account, which was not paid. Okay, here you can see USD $33. $100 33 cents. Earn, earning summary. And just below you see 342 of my photographs have been downloaded. And earnings type, there are different types of earning category. So first category is on demand, where I have $15.04. Second is single and others, I have got $3.79. Subscriptions $81.50. These are the dollars I earned through selling the pictures, different type of pictures. And my top performers, these are the pictures, top 5 pictures which gave me the maximum earning. And first you can see $6.25, 25 downloads. Second you can see $5.29, 21 times. Third is again $4.15, 10 downloads. Fourth is $2.63, 4 downloads. And fifth is $2.38, 3 downloads. And you can see above monthly earnings. So April 2019 I earned $4.5. May 2019 $2.50. These are the earnings, and this is the highest earning month, November 2019, $11.39. So this is the graph of the earnings of the months, different months. And here you can see a few days back this picture was downloaded. It was taken by someone from Coimbatore, India. And this again Namur from Belgium. This picture New Delhi, India. This picture was shot by my mobile phone. Okay, below that is another picture, Delhi, India. Below that another picture, Delhi, India. Okay, and this is the map where, like this picture, Omaha, United States. You can see which all countries my pictures have been sold. Okay, I'll show you this picture. This you can see a man with a plow. I went to a field, shot this, and put it in the Shutterstock portfolio, and it got sold. And this picture again, this was shot by through my mobile phone. It is a picture taken in Guwahati airport, got sold. This again in the field, randomly taken a shot, and the field, water going down. This was also sold. So these are not great pictures, just randomly taken pictures, and if you put them in Shutterstock, they will easily sell. So this is about Shutterstock, and I have put my pictures in other stock companies also, like this is Big Stock, where I have $12 in the account, and you can see the pictures, recently taken pictures of flower, picture of papaya. Okay, here a man playing guitar. Okay, so these are the shots. And another is I have got $2.90. These 4 pictures were downloaded. You can see 4 pictures, 4 new sales. And this is Alamy, where again I have sold 1. Okay, this is the Alamy. You can see current cleared balance $2. And this is Adobe. I have $3.63. And here again Getty Images, Rupak. You can see Rupak Vishwas, my name, and I will show you. This is the graph. Okay, October, 1 picture was sold for 0.60 cents. This is December 2019, 0.32 cents. This is January 2020, $2.22. And this is 220 February 220, $1.96. So these are the 6 companies I have showed. Another 2 stock companies I upload, but there was no sale. So that's all from this.